Testimony is now underway in the murder trial of Bob Leonard. He's the man accused of causing the home explosion on the south side of Indianapolis in 2012. Dion and Jennifer Longworth were killed in that blast. About 100 homes were either damaged or destroyed. Eyewitness News reporter Rich Van White joins us live today from Fort Wayne, where that trial was moved because of pre-trial publicity. So, Rich, what happened in court this morning?
Scott, first on the witness stand this morning, one of the Indianapolis firefighters, one of the first into the Richmond Hill neighborhood the night of that 2012 explosion. He's expected to testify about the destruction, the flames, the confusion, and their futile attempt to save the life of Dion Longworth. The trial of Bob Leonard began this morning with opening statements from both attorneys, prosecution and defense. Denise Robinson promised jurors they will hear from more than 150 witnesses describing the prosecution's case against Leonard as a wall built one brick at a time. She said it would be obvious to them that there was an explosion in the Richmond Hill neighborhood and that it was intentional, not an accident, a night that forever changed the life of the people living there. Bob Leonard is accused of 51 counts of murder, conspiracy, and arson. Investigators claim he tampered with the home's natural gas lines, opened the gas line, and rigged a microwave oven to set off the explosion. Over 30 homes were demolished. Many others were destroyed. Jennifer and Dion Longworth, a young couple, were killed. Leonard's attorney, Ted Minch, told jurors they will see and hear things they never imagined they would. That characterizing the neighborhood as a war zone perhaps doesn't do it justice. He described the prosecution's case about being about what happened. The big question mark, though, is the who is responsible. Minch told jurors that Bob Leonard is not responsible for the acts they're going to hear about in the next few weeks. Despite emotional testimony and evidence, he challenged jurors to keep their minds open about DNA evidence, witnesses, and investigators they say can put Bob Leonard at the scene of the crime, literally put his handprints on it. There's also going to be the testimony of Maserati Shirley, and he warned jurors about that. Maserati Shirley, the girlfriend who admitted plotting with her boyfriend, half-brother Mark Leonard, to destroy the home to collect the insurance money. She's expected to testify and scheduled to testify. She is the half-brother, or she obviously was with Mark Leonard. The big question, though, is how reliable her witness testimony is going to be, and that's going to be, Scott, one of the big targets of defense attorneys as this moves into the trial phase. This trial is expected to last 6 weeks.
Now, Rich is going to be reporting on this trial throughout, and he'll have another report coming up today at 5. Rich, thanks.